trying to beat the rain. Oh, there's another motorcycle ahead of me. Let's see if we can catch up to him. Man, that guy's booking it too. This thing taking a corner at a decent angle is so much fun. What is going on, guys? My name is Carlos. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just taking a quick drive from work and trying to beat the rain before it actually hits. Originally today was supposed to be just a cloudy day, but it is turning a little bit more into that, so I'm trying to beat the rain home, which I don't know if I'm gonna make it because those rain clouds look pretty bad. It hasn't started sprinkling yet. Believe me, it will in a few minutes, so I'm trying to beat it. Clouds are coming from the west going east, and I have to go a little north and then I can go east and try to beat these rain clouds. So we'll see how that all goes. Also, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We do Corvette and motorcycle vlogs. I am on my BMW S1000 currently, and just enjoying different kinds of things. I've been out of the riding game for about 4 years and just recently got this beautiful S1000 that's now wrapped in the orange, and I did the wrap myself, so it's not perfect, but it is really nice. I definitely like the color. The color looks absolutely fantastic on this bike, and I actually just don't particularly want to get this bike wet. I don't want to be wet either, but I don't want to get this bike wet. You can already see like a couple of droplets on my visor. So yeah, so I've been out of the motorcycle game for about 4 years, basically because my weight, I used to be super heavy. I used to be like 350 pounds, and trying to ride sport bikes when I was that heavy is not actually really easy. So I lost about 100 pounds or so, a little bit over 100 pounds. So getting to this point, to be able to ride motorcycles again is a pretty complete joy. Oh, there's another motorcycle ahead of me. Let's see if we can catch up to them. Also beat some of this rain over here. It's also insanely windy. That guy's booking it too. Pretty cool S1000, probably the same year as mine actually. I should have taken this exit. I could have taken the off ramp and done a little bit of curvatures. Maybe I'll do that on the next set of curvatures. But mostly I was just trying to beat a lot of this bad weather. As you can see, a lot of that bad weather behind us. It's just like cloudy in front of us, so that's actually kind of good. But yeah, so I've been out of the motorcycle game for about 4 years. Before that, I used to be very much into motorcycles, doing track days and all that kind of stuff, and had like 10-12 years of riding experience kind of deal. And it was when I just gained a whole bunch of weight that I like kind of moved on to like sports cars. I got in the C8 Corvette and enjoyed that, and now I have my C8 Z06, which I also very much enjoy. But I've always missed motorcycle riding and such, and just being able to get back into the biking and stuff like that, that's been something that I've very much missed. now being able to get to the point where I'm riding again, and riding honestly my dream bike, because I mean this bike has been just absolutely phenomenal. It's a 2025 BMW S1000RR with the N package, all tuned in regards to a full Acura exhaust, titanium exhaust, along with a BT tune on it. So it is set up right from the get-go to be really, really good, really comfortable. I mean, relatively for a sport bike to ride and just thoroughly enjoy. I'm also trying to test out this mic setting a little bit here, and I'm using the DJI Action Pro 5 along with the Purple Panda mic accessory. So let me know how it sounds in the comments and stuff like that. I have it set to a -16 gain for the audio. That's probably the biggest thing, is trying to make the audio sound good. Oh, check out that Grom on the back of that bike. We'll see about trying to take some of this off-ramp 4-leaf clover if there's not a lot of traffic. It'll take a few seconds. We got a few seconds before this rain hits. Yeah. Unfortunately, this is not what I had in mind. But the on-ramp I should be able to enjoy a little bit and do. This is a 4-leaf clover on off-ramp, so I should be able to find a few corners that I can take a little bit aggressive and then go back on our merry way back to the home. And yeah, everybody's getting off, so I can get on. Oh god, I miss this stuff. Taking a corner at a decent angle is so much fun. Now, it's been a little while since I've done track days and stuff, and being on the motorcycle going pretty quick, so I'm not trying to go too aggressive on the bike. Just enough to have a little bit of fun on these twisties. Yeah, there's a car right here, so yep, that's where this will end. That's fine. Taking a little bit of twisties before heading home is not always a bad thing. Wish there was wish there was on and off ramps that were going to the left instead of going to the right always, but you take what you can get, and that's what track days are for. And I got to get myself back into a track day. Ooh, somebody smacked hard into that guardrail. Yeah. But yeah, so that's kind of a little bit of this motovlog and a little bit of my channel, a little bit of my history. This is a little bit of an impromptu vlog that I set up, that I was just kind of playing around with some settings and just enjoying the fact that I'm not at work and I am on this beautiful bike. Weather could be a little bit nicer, but it is cool, so I can at least appreciate the fact that it is cool. I should have gotten the 360 camera out to record, but I'll do that for the next video. Get that up and running. I also have to get gas. I feel like this thing eats up gas like crazy though. I love how it sounds though, especially with the little burbles and everything that it's got. This tune actually does really good in regards to like shooting flames and everything too, which is a nice thing when I first got this bike, because I got this bike with the Acura exhaust and tune already done with it. So it was actually kind of cool to be able to just go straight to having the right kind of exhaust and tune to get a little flame spitting out from the bike. Yeah, there was a bike night that I was going to be going to tonight, but I'm pretty sure that that's not happening, at least with how this weather is getting worse and worse. So pretty sure that is not going to happen tonight, and by pretty sure it's not going to happen tonight. Get some gassy gas. Take off the glove. Need it. is $4.20. Jeez, man. It's still going. Don't know what in the heck that was all about. I don't know if it got caught on camera, but like her phone and freaking text messages said some weird thing, like take a drink or something like that. I don't know. Maybe I'll be able to see it in the playback. That was weird though. Got this filled up and I can head home before the rain gets here. Old lady in her SUV smiling. Alright, let's get going. Well guys, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. It's gonna kind of short and sweet video, just me coming home from work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos and we will see you next time. So take care guys.